Demonstration of series connection function for PuSi PMC006X3. PMC006X3 features two communication interfaces. You can simply daisy chain multiple controllers using communication cables. This avoids complicated extra wiring. The operation is simple and fast. Use the PusiCAN debugging tool. Synchronous positioning mode. Multiple motors start or stop synchronously with no delay. Supports hot swap. Supports hot swapping of PusiCAN stepper motors without power off.